Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson, guys. It could be any generation, any year, guys, any engine. And let's say your alternator, okay, is overcharging or not charging enough. The voltage is too high or too low. We will explain what can easily cause that and how to replace it and fix it on your own, guys. Now the design may differ a little bit, but the procedure will be very similar for multiple years and models Hyundai Tucson. So let me introduce you to the channel quick, guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this right here, guys, this is the 2.4 GDI engine and we have the alternator removed. That's what it looks like. If you want to see how to remove and replace alternator on a Hyundai Tucson, we'll have the video on our channel. It can teach you how to do that. So that's the alternator. Let's say your alternator is charging too much or the voltage is too low or not charging at all. What can easily cause that? Let's explain that now. So if you look on the back side, you will have two wires. One of them is known as a B+. This is the battery positive cable. This is the signal wire right here going to the engine computer. Okay, so those are the only two wires. But if you remove, okay, we have in our case two nuts right here. And if we go ahead and remove these nuts, okay, let us show you, okay, what we have there. Okay, we remove the lid and now right here, guys, okay, that's the diode pack. That's the one that converts the alternator current from AC alternating current to DC direct current. So that right here are your brushes. Okay, let me show you. Okay, that's the brush pack. Okay, right here. Now, if the alternator is not working correctly, it could be bad brushes as well. But what else can cause that easily, guys? It's a bad voltage regulator. It's that device right here. And if you look at it, guys, most of them will be paired with the brush pack. So it's a good thing to replace both of them at the same time. And we will explain how to replace that now. So in our case, we have three bolts that we can easily remove here. Perfect. And now if you come like that in an angle slowly, come out and you can check out, this is the brush pack and this is your voltage regulator. That's what causes all that trouble, guys. Now putting it together, it's practically in reverse order that we took it apart, but that's the part that usually goes bad. Of course, it could be other things, and we have a video that explains how to test alternator and find out what's wrong with it, but this is the voltage regulator and that's how you remove and replace it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.